Got a D84 disk image from a vintage Commodore system and want to access its contents? This represents a Commodore 1581 or 1584 floppy disk. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with these Commodore disk images. Based on my professional background, there's always a secret weapon for deeply corrupted D84 files. This advanced, near-guaranteed solution can be downloaded now. A D84 file is a disk image from a Commodore 128 personal computer, specifically for the 1581 disk drive. Users in the retro computing community encounter these files when trying to run vintage Commodore software or games on modern computers using an emulator, seeking to mount the file as a virtual floppy disk. The D84 format is a sector-by-sector binary copy of a 3.5-inch Commodore 1581 floppy disk. It was designed to precisely replicate the original disk's low-level structure, including its file system, boot sectors, and data layout, ensuring that emulators can accurately mount and interact with the disk image as if it were physical media. The preferred application for managing the D84 file is Vice Emulator from Vice Team. Full file extraction and decompression must be managed by a third-party utility. Windows cannot load the internal disk structure, so dedicated imaging software must handle it. Your first move is key. Right-click the D84 file and select Open With. Test with Vice Emulator if it appears. If it doesn't, select another program. It's often necessary to test multiple applications to solve the issue. If the D84 file won't open, don't panic. Let's eliminate the guesswork. Here is a simple explanation of the technical reasons why the D84 file is refusing to open. First, mounting in Vice Emulator. Install Vice, the versatile Commodore emulator, which faithfully reproduces Commodore 64 and 128 systems. Launch the appropriate emulator and use the File menu to attach your D84 file as disk drive, 8 or 9. The emulator boots from the disk, allowing original software to run as on real hardware. Next, using DirMaster. Install DirMaster, a Windows utility for browsing and managing Commodore disk images. Open the D84 file in DirMaster to view directory contents and individual files. Extract files to your modern computer, or modify the disk contents for use in emulators, or transfer back to real hardware. Finally, transferring to real hardware. Use a Zoom floppy or 1541 Ultimate hardware adapter to write D84 disk images back to physical Commodore floppies. This enables original Commodore hardware to read the contents, preserving software in its native environment, for collectors and enthusiasts maintaining vintage systems. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out filemagic.com to download now. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.